Ever looked at your spare change and wondered if it could be doing more than just cluttering your pockets? What if those forgotten cents could be growing, multiplying, and working towards your financial future? That's not just a hypothetical question, it's the core idea behind Raiz, and today, we're diving deep into what exactly Raiz is used for. For many, the world of investing feels like a distant, complex realm, reserved for finance gurus and those with hefty sums to spare. Raiz shatters that perception by making investing accessible, even for those starting with just a few dollars. Imagine a platform that takes the concept of saving your loose change and supercharges it, automatically investing it into diversified portfolios. That, in essence, is the magic of Raiz. So, beyond just being a digital piggy bank, what is Raiz truly used for? Firstly, and perhaps most prominently, Raiz is used for micro-investing and automated savings. Its signature round UPS feature is a game-changer. Every time you make a purchase with a linked card, Raiz rounds up the spare change to the nearest dollar and invests it once those roundups accumulate to at least $5. Think about it. Your $3.50 coffee becomes $4, and that 50 cents, instead of being forgotten, gets invested. This seemingly small action, repeated consistently, can build a substantial investment over time, almost without you noticing. It's the ultimate set-it-and-forget-it approach to saving. Secondly, Raiz is a powerful tool for diversified portfolio building, even for beginners. You don't need to be a stock market expert to use Raiz. When you sign up, Raiz helps you choose from a range of diversified portfolios, each made up of exchange-traded funds, ETFs. These ETFs hold a basket of different assets, stocks, bonds, even real estate, giving you instant diversification across various industries and companies. This significantly reduces risk compared to investing in individual stocks, making it a safer entry point for new investors. You're not putting all your eggs in one basket, you're spreading them across many. Thirdly, Raiz is increasingly used for financial goal setting and acceleration. Whether you're saving for a house deposit, a new car, a dream vacation, or even just building an emergency fund, Raiz provides a tangible way to contribute to those goals consistently. By seeing your investments grow, you're more motivated to continue contributing, turning abstract financial aspirations into concrete progress. You can even set recurring investments, adding a fixed amount to your portfolio daily, weekly, or monthly, further accelerating your journey towards your financial milestones. Fourthly, Raiz is employed as a means for effortless superannuation, retirement fund, contributions in some regions. This is a significant feature that allows users to make extra contributions to their superannuation directly through the app, often via roundups or one-off payments. This helps boost retirement savings over the long term, a crucial aspect of financial planning that many tend to overlook until later in life. Finally, Raiz serves as an excellent platform for introducing people to the world of investing with minimal risk and maximum convenience. It demystifies the process, making it less intimidating and more approachable. By starting small and seeing tangible returns, users gain confidence and financial literacy, paving the way for more significant investment decisions down the line. It's an educational tool disguised as a savings app. From rounding up spare change to building diversified portfolios and accelerating your financial goals, Raiz has truly carved out a unique and valuable niche. It's a testament to how technology can democratize finance, making investing accessible to everyone, regardless of their starting capital or financial expertise. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.